Ready to supercharge your Japanese? In this video, we're diving into 100 essential Japanese adjectives, from describing people and places to expressing emotions and opinions. Whether you're just starting out or brushing up, these adjectives will level up your vocabulary and confidence fast. Want to learn Japanese the smart way? Okay. Big. It means large in size or amount. Chaisai. Small. It means little in size. Atarashi. New. It means recently created or acquired. Furui. Old. It means not new, aged. Aiyoi. Good. It means of high quality or standard. Warui. Bad. It means of poor quality or wrong. Takai. Tall, expensive. It means either physically high or costly. Hikui. Low, short. It means not tall or elevated. Yasui. Cheap, inexpensive. It means low in price. Muzukashi. Difficult. It means hard to understand or do. Yasashi. Easy, kind. It means simple or gentle in nature. Chikai. Near. It means not far away. Tuei. Far. It means at a great distance. Hayai. Fast. It means moving quickly. Osoi. Slow, late. It means not quick or behind time. Akarui. Bright. It means full of light. Kurai. Dark. It means lacking light. Nagai. Long. It means great in length. Mijikai. Short. It means small in length or time. Omoi. Heavy. It means having much weight. Karui. Light, weight. It means not heavy. Heroi. Wide, spacious. It means large in area. Semei. Narrow, cramped. It means not wide. Achui. Hot, things. It means high in temperature. Achui. Hot, weather. It means high temperature outside. Samui. Cold, weather. It means low temperature outside. Chumte. Cold, things. It means chilly to touch. Isogashi. Busy. It means having many tasks or duties. Himana. Free, time. It means not busy. Otsukoshi. Beautiful. It means pleasing to the eye. Kireina. Pretty, clean. It means attractive or tidy. Kitanai. Dirty. It means not clean. Genki na. Healthy, energetic. It means in good health or spirits. Shizuka na. Quiet. It means low in noise. Nigiyaka na. Lively, bustling. It means full of life or energy. Yumii na. Famous. It means known by many people. Shinsetsu na. Kind. It means considerate and nice. Sugoi. Amazing, incredible. It means impressive or unbelievable. Tanoshi. Fun, enjoyable. It means pleasurable and entertaining. Omoshiroi. Interesting, funny. It means engaging or humorous. Kawaii. Scary. It means causing fear. Urashi. Happy. It means feeling joy. Kanashi. Sad. It means feeling sorrow. Join thousands of learners at Airlearn, where fluency meets fun. That's a wrap on 100 must-know Japanese adjectives. Practice these often, they're the building blocks of natural conversation. If you're serious about mastering Japanese, let Airlearn be your guide to fluent, fearless speaking. Thank you for watching.